Masti Method.
I know man now.
Yeah, I don't podcast that.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest tiger, Big Daddy MVN, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master CG Play. You know what it is.
And welcome to
3-4 issues. You know what it is, man.
Sirski, man. Where we at, man? Where we at?
Right now, dog. Remo placing. Yeah, Remo placing, dog. We are Remo cars. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
Remo Mikasa.
Yeah, you know, Mikasa, you know what it is, man. Section 7, we're out here, we are live, and we are live. We are reporting right now.
Yeah.
And guys, Nyaputelo, but then you guys have to know, Wuti, these are the places that we like to document, guys.
Yeah.
When it's I want to be politic, but yeah, it's fine. Well, it's Zelana because yes, we are put in places.
Zelana ngoba iPirates izoshaya iChiefs.
Oh shit. Wavele wahlala khona straight ubaba.
Yabona le ngizoyikhasa le part mengadliwe.
Oh, yabuza.
But basically, man, I don't know. I don't want to talk too much, man. I just want people to get straight into the video, man. I don't know. You want to say some quick remarks?
Yeah, man. One thing, I want to put it there, Yabona, out there, and be politically correct. This thing, Yahore. 3-4 issues support black businesses, support the youth. This is a podcast for the people. You know what I'm saying? So I just don't want to be cool about it, but yeah.
That's the longest quick remark.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay.
So big shout out to Imikasa. Yeah. Y'all need to see that. Y'all need to see that.
Yeah.
The graffiti on walls. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's just how I feel today.
Yeah.
It's a good day. It's sunny, and people are here to enjoy themselves, watch football. It's a derby today. Chiefs and Pirates.
Biggest derby in Africa, by the way.
Oh
yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's the facts. Everybody knows that.
I mean,
that's not even like a debate, bro.
Yeah.
The Casablanca derby, the Moroccan derby, not even close.
And every time we talk about this derby, bro, he always has to say something bad about Chiefs fans. Every time.
No, man. Chiefs fans know that I love them, man. But then they have
I'm not a Chiefs fan.
No, you're not.
I thought you were accommodating. You like
as in us. Pirates fans.
Yeah.
We love you.
Okay.
But we need those 3 points.
Hey man, you know what it is,
Sundowns.
Yeah.
We need those 3 points.
Shout out to Ndaba.
Shout out to Ndaba, man. Shout out to the brother, man.
Yeah, big shout out to Ndaba.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Let's wrap it up. You guys catch us up on the next slide. You know what it is.
What's up, my people? We're back again. This is the biggest, baddest tiger Bombian and my brother.
Hey yo, what's up? It's your boy Master CG Play. You know what it is.
And yes, Sirski, we right here, Gupi Mikasa Kasi Cuisine. And yes, yeah, Mikasa Cuisine. What? Cuisine? Kasi Cuisine. Yeah, man. Sizelana kahle to party with y'all, man. Yabo. Sizelana ngenxa yokubuka iPirates izoshaya iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo. So kahle size ngalokho sihlangane ngalokho.
Yeah, well, when a quick reference question, Lana. Like Nina guys, nivotela. I mean not to vote. Wow, what a politic question. Yeah, like you guys are on Pirates or Chiefs? Yeah, personally.
Chiefs. Chiefs. Oh, I. Oh, kahle vele akwazi ukwenza ukuthi bo 2 ba-5 1 yabo. So kulamhla khona umelela lekhaya la. So I don't know ikuphi
kodwa vele izodliwa vele le ima kumele ngiduduze strong
yeah man let's get into it man size ngebhola ne But see, we came here. You guys have a great initiative. Nine, what can you call? Nine dining. Like you have a kasi fine dining. And sifuna ukwazi kabanzi nga angazi ukuthi naqala kanjani and how long have you been running?
Thank you so much. We started operating, it was 2023 when we started opening Imikasa Kasi Cuisine. It wasn't what we have now, but it was just sports samakota. I can just say that. But with time, we grew until we reached this stage.
No, that's dope. Just from like ikota nje, like was it what? Is it container ngezos cars?
No.
Oh.
It was a back room.
It was a fake room. Oh, crazy, man. Yes, sister. You wanna like this is what you call elevation, dog.
Yeah, for sure. But like you were part of Ninangs and you guys were selling quarters vele before.
Yeah, ikahle bengidayisa amakota. Ngihamba mina naye siyathandana ne.
Oh.
So
Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, sorry. Hey. Yadlula, man.
Imagine it's overwhelming, you understand?
mama sekhaya.
Oh, yes.
So ngihamba sihamba sithandana so bekuthanda ukudla.
Okay.
So wathola ifund nako Coca-Cola. So business nama ups and downs.
Oh yeah.
Sathi no, avele ihlangana lento le siyipush. So siyayiphusha ku-bedroom, siyayiphusha phumela ngaphandle,
Yeah.
selokhu siphusha ngoba sesila.
Oh, okay. So, are benefits of working together as as a couple? Do you think that also contributed to his success or anything of like improvement?
Just to add on your question again, because abantu banokuthi don't add a business with pleasure and stuff. So, Nina, how do you deal with that dynamic?
It worked very well for us because mina ngaqala ngadayisa naye wadayisa separately kwawukuthi sahluleka. But ever since sahlanganisa imqondo ewu2 sakwazi ukuthi siphusha ngayiphi indlela and stuff. So I think ukuthi ukuthandana kwethu kwasiza ukuthi sikwazi ukuvula le business because if ngiyi1 naye eyedwa we wouldn't be here.
And ngede lapho ngikhulumela amajidi. Akekho umuntu othi ngifuna imali ekhanda ngifuna imalini ngifuna uyazi mayifuna imali ekhanda nani ukuthi uphula kuphi shephula kuphi so nana singadleli.
Any comments?
None.
Khona into enishilo ne about the funding Coca-Cola and stuff. So recently I saw that you guys won 10K. 10K.
And it's
10K.
not 10K. They increased their prize money.
Well, bengathanda kakhulu if you can advise anyone yabona if they are trying yabo abantu abasafufuza nabo as well ukuthi what are the entries and what are the requirements for ama competition akanjiyana, just to put the word out there phela wena so you are mastering this now, so just to put on these young ones who are trying bakithi abasingle. Obviously.
What I can say is that they should never give up. Everyone starts somewhere at some point and also reach a point olufunayo. So it wasn't easy, I wouldn't lie. Even now, it's not easy. But perseverance is the matter of success, as they always say.
I love that.
Okay.
Ayibona angeke kakhulu ekhulumile kodwa nje vele kuba humble. Humble izokubeka kude.
Bahlonipha ama customers wakho nje then bese provide ke nje ukudla kwequality. Yeah, yiyo leyo nje sime ngayo. Provide nje ukudla kwequality.
And disappoint.
We don't.
Yabona lo udla kubona kwi picture.
Yeah.
Lo udla uzokubona live.
Oh.
Yeah.
And this is we can second.
And ama taste but azo add more. Akukho kuhle kuphela.
Yeah.
I taste
Yeah, it also makes sense, ne? Wow. So, what are some of objective or izinto ezikhubanayo when you are venturing a business in elikanjena? I mean, you guys ngiyabona ni responsible. Speaking of, I mean, like I can see there's a security over there. Ngiyabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi you guys are hands on with everything. Ngiyabona when it comes to maybe food, you guys can ishilo quality. Kusho right now, second safety that is involved. So what are some of my challenges ongaba now, you know, also considering a place nendawo okuyo o operator kuyo?
Engawusho ukuthi ngasho ukuthi it's a grand opening. So Mikasa before ikaze be grand opening.
Oh.
So first time yethu le kodwa nje ngisho ukuthi next time kube more kunalokho. So security ifakile siyazi indawo ukuthi ikanjani. So senze ukuthi nje abantu be comfortable. Yeah, be enjoy ukuba singekasi.
How do you also deal with Leonto Leo ukuthi like I hate ukufaka spotlights kwizinto ezimbi yabo like Zala Newcastle because I like to show ubuhle ba Newcastle but unfortunately khona izinto ezimbi uyazi now so like how do you deal with those challenges uwazi ukuthi hey ngenzeka sometimes ukuthi makuthothi lana nje ningavalile kahle yabo seniyaluza okuthize like how do you deal with that?
Lapho nginabafowethu nabangani. Yeah, nginabafowethu ngasho ukuthi le ndawo nje ngoba so namhlanje sisizwe yibona. Yeah, sona kakhulu. So sihlale late sizo check ukuthi simo sikanjani kodwa masikhula sokwazi ukuthi security ibe tight. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Well, what are some of the foods that just stand out from a business here? Ngiyizwa indaba yenu ukuthi nanidayisa amagwinya namakota. It's fine. But what are some of the standing foods? Mina ngi-interested ekudleni, ngiyakuthanda ukudla. You know what I'm saying? Kuthi nje angikhulupali. Yeah, kuthi angikhulupali. But what are some of the standing out foods that you've tried you're about to initiate? Because nakho logo it's some of izinto ongazizama o-check nje ukuthi i-market yakhe ngakuthanda yini logo. What are some of the good foods that you're selling?
We deal with ama-platters kakhulu of which iwona abantu abawakhombisa uthando ngalendlela. Even on social media someone will ask, where is this place? Oh, I say Mikasa ye platter. We are very famous for a platter. Yeah, mostly it's platter. But you'll see people will order different foods then.
Yeah.
So yeah, ayikho na order into singayidayisa. Yeah, there is the purple corner.
Oh, inyama yenhloko.
Oh, sorry, into exhaphisiwe, exhaphisi awu. Kwamanje. Yeah, kwamanje. But sifuna ukuthi everything uyithole edlekayo.
Yeah. Hayi.
Then into esingayisho ukuthi hayi sinifisela okuhle. Yeah, okuhle kodwa sinifisela okuhle kodwa and engathi lingakhula ebusiness leni yabo. And nathi we from not even starting from now yabo because it's been a minute kade sikhuluma yabo. We are fans now yabo. Sesi if you need anything yabo manifuna any advertising sikhona sisonke.
Yeah, remote thing. Speaking about being a fan, yeah, let us talk about his social media. I think unayo social media presence right now as you speak. I want to know mina ukubaleka ko social media at this point yabo, and I'm sure nje sometimes mangabe ushoot plate wenza sure alikonsize lelo plate lelo. Okay. Ukubaleka ko social media as people can see ukuthi what products are you selling. How important is that for your business?
So social media is very important because we gain more customers through social media. We even bought an iPhone because we knew ukuthi advertising with it gonna ukudla makukuhle gonna attractela ama customers. So it's not only ukuthi ukudla makukuhle, even befika la. So we have ama regulars from Utrecht, Danhauser, Mtakane. We just ubona ukuthi abantu really love ukudla kwethu.
And guys, Utrecht is very far.
Yeah. So the fact that people make a trip ukuzalana, it actually shows ukuthi it's not just good looking.
Grootman intelezi nyana.
Inteleza, into zayisebenza into basentelezi. Into basentelezi ayisebenza.
Intelezi yechoose.
Wow.
Into esebenza nje ubeze ngishiye. Ngibona if umuntu humble umunye umuntu umanzi umunye umuntu ubekezele nje elifeni. Kuzovela ama-flowers akho.
I like that.
Hayi nathi siyanipha namhlanje ama-flowers yabo. So engathi futhi ngani ngaveza kahle. This is the official logo, right? Yeah, so yini merch singathola merch noma like yeah, hey, man, I don't know, you wanna close it?
Yeah, big shout out to the businesses that we have in Newcastle 034. Big shout out. Yeah, guys, it's the Mikasa, and yeah, we out here, we are live. We're gonna be documenting some of the things that are happening, like Haya Emakdageni, 034 issues is out here, and you guys make sure you tune in. Yeah, you follow us. Make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next slide.
On the next one, bruv. All right, Baba. First, we would like besides vele sizobuza abantu, ne? Ukuthi what are the predictions, you know, bacabanga ukuthi score kuzobani. Yabo ngifuna ukubuza ke la baba ukuthi wena ubaba ucabanga ukuthi score kuzobani? iChiefs izodliwa ngobani score?
Ayizodliwa. Angilifuni lelo. Wothi wena iChiefs izoshaya amagoli amangaki ngizokuphendula. iChiefs izothola elilodwa.
Ukuthi izodliwa noma izowina akuna.
Ayike ngeke ngiphawuleke lapha. Kodwa nje iChiefs izoshaya elilodwa.
Oh, noma angena 4-5 kodwa elilodwa izongena.
Angeke ngazi kodwa nje mina ngimvula ndlela phela lokho ngenzeke bemathathe bemabili kodwa mina ngikhuluma ngegoli ukuthi ngeke ngenzeke ngingabuye ngingaliphathi.
Why? Ubani ozokora?
Ubani ozokora? Hayi noma ngingazi ukuthi ubani ozokora kodwa nawe ungangikorela nje usuchamazela ukholele mina ukole ngakho.
We Grootman ngicela ukubuza yini ekwenza ube nogquzo olungaka nofuqufuqu?
Engayifaka kodwa ngimncane ngiyayazi. Na kwi Nedbank nasho njalo nathi nayithatha.
Hayi phela
amswang. Mina ngidinga ukuthi nayithatha yini.
Sithathanga.
It's again the biggest podcast in Newcastle. Nani niyazi mos. How? Most nani niyazi mos. How? What must happen? So yeah, guys, we are still at the Mikasa, and at this time, man, just check out Ogyanga Setunjini. How are you doing, my brother?
I'm Nandi.
Okay, we're also nice. Who am I here with today?
Oh, awuthile ngidumele yathile.
Oh, Zil. Yeah, shout out.
Much Ivan wakudala.
Also, my so you're also around the corner like us.
I'm around na list.
Yeah. So yeah. Outlam, yeah. We just wanted to know, mfethu, how is everything going on? I mean, like namhlanje, it's a big day. Yeah, bona. Namhlanje, we have a derby playing today. Well, first, garukubuza. When you favor in between the Pirates and the Chiefs. Just ukuthi ngakofendi ngesinye isikhathi mangikhuluma. So which part are you in? Kahle.
Ezimnyama.
Iphaniwe.
Idlala ngintwana ngathi angithanda lezi ezigqoke ezimnyama.
Oh yeah.
Mama bafo uthi score ubani namhlanje?
Oh, hayi score namhlanje ufonile.
Fonile. Awu bafo yabona wena. Lo mina nawe nami ngipractice ufonile.
Ubafu uyapheka and uvuthiwe bafu.
Fonile. Lezana ikhashela igame iqala iziyophela futhi ikhashela nje. Manje angeke ndoda uyimele lezi. Yabona out la wathi Peterson.
Yeah.
Le. Last ayingekho ngithi. Wafika
ngokuvuma.
Hayi uzobona ke this time.
Yeah.
Uzobona ke this time. Yozeyivuza izandla lapha.
Yabona indaba.
Zozeyivuza izandla lapha yana. Zozeyivuze lapha yana Peterson.
Uthini Grootman?
Sengena indaba zeChiefs manje. Akabheke ezePirate, akasukhulumela ezenye. Umuntu nomuntu ubheka umuzi wakhe. Yabona ezePirate angikhulumi mina ngibheka ezani ezeKaizer Chiefs.
Hey, yeah. Ladies and gents, can you
Yes, my people, we back again. Sisi, uwani nje umbuzo. Uwani umbuzo. Iscore sithi namhlanje.
Obviously vele iPirates izowina singasho ukuthi kulweya 3 esasinawo singa-eda maybe 3.
Oh, so uzoba umunye 3-0.
Kuba umunye u3-0 futhi yabo akusinankinga nalokho.
Ubani uzokora namhlanje?
Umufukeng obviously ngeke asale.
Ushaya free kick futhi.
Hayi uzokora nje as always njengoba ehlezi bese kuba Hotho.
Oh wow, okay.
Hotho. Makgopa.
Okay. Yazin, I can see it happening, not because of a Paris fan, but I can see it happening. First, Sibonge Sisi, ngokuba nathi ngalesikhathi. You want to say something, my friend?
Yeah, it is what it is, guys. The Pirates all the way. You know what I'm saying?
Impela kunjalo. Bakania one way.
Again, we have anonymous, ne? So wabuza into eyi-1. Ubani iscore namhlanje?
2-1.
2-1 ini?
Pirates 2, Chiefs 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Ithini yakho?
Mina ngiyazi angifuni ukukredit into engayazi.
So ima usewu-favorite Chiefs wena? Uthanda impela-ke wena. Yabona wena? Uyalazi iqiniso.
What a concept. Wow.
Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? We're back again. Mr. Halftime now. Exe, who am I with? Exe, bachita kambanja. Yeah, sharp. Nisizwa kanjani since manje kuyi-halftime? Izinto hamba kanjani kula manje?
Ngijabulile kodwa ngijabulele phakathi ngobani isikole ngikwazile ukukora first half baphika igoli. Kodwa ngoba isikole kusaseninile ngisakhululekile. Second half mangibuya ngiyabhala uthi mina second half mangibuya.
Awuna kanjani? Yini ngathi ufuna ukuphakaza baba?
Nami kusamba kahle ngiyamuzwa nje ubafo mayethi ukoride ngazathi manje kanjani ngoba ubonile bekuyi-offside asiyibandlele. But-ke igame ngokubona kwami izophela ngo-1-0 of course i-Coastal Zone. Alright.
Yeah. Shout out Machita. Yeah, ladies and gents, it's the halftime now. And people are excited, people are energetic. The score is still fair. The score still makes sense. Yeah, we out. Exe, hamba kanjani bhuti wami?
Angimnandi phethu.
Yeah.
Usubonile ukuthi iligi yami. Yabo ngoba i-Chiefs yenza nje.
Yeah.
Iyangichaza.
Oh.
Kahle.
Halftime.
Hayi iyangichaza i-Chiefs. Yabo le nto eyenzayo iyangichaza.
Izowenza nakuwe.
Hayi mina kimi sovumelana phela. Abantu lapho.
Yeah.
Manje score ngoba kuwunini.
Yeah.
Halftime manje. Izophela kanjani le match?
Angifuni ukukhuluma kabi yabo. Kodwa uPirates izokora 1.
Bese iyaphela imatch.
Phelile ke manje. Kodwa mina ngo-past 5.
Uyodliwa ngoba
Ngisho uthunile mina. Phelile lapho.
uzobona.
Mina iligi yami nawe mfethu.
Ngimcinezela kanje.
Eyami nawe iligi kahle.
Ufuna uhlale la ube unumber 2 wami.
Angeke ngiyawuthatha mina. Ngiyothatha iligi ngithatha ikhefu.
Exactly. Ikhefu. Hey, bus.
Ubone ngandlela ngihamba.
Sonela. Kodwa ngifuna uyibone.
Hayi bayeke Mpofana. Impofana yeke. Yeke Mpofana.
Wena ngifuna ubona nasi star.
Okay.
Nasi star, superstar.
Hayi bayeke mfethu.
Abafana bana star.
Hayi. Impofana le.
Hey, Pofana.
Kodwa wena mawuwina namhlanje. U1-0.
Yeah, wena uyadlala next week noPofana. Ubani man?
Hayi, Impofana mina ngasivumelene.
1-1. Hayi,
Ngishangakile lapha.
ngeke.
Qinile bethu, hayibo. Mina qinile lapho bethu. Yabo manje.
Sharp.
Wena uzokora vele 1 kodwa nakhona uzokora nje minciwe. Kodwa nje ukorila kona. Mina bese mhlathuse la ningabuyi khona.
Akuyi umuntu mhlawumbe.
Mina ngizobuya ngo-2-0.
Hey, namhlanje akudlali.
Ngesidle. Singabhetha 2-0 ke mina imhlathuse. 2-0. What's spec?
Asingabheki. Mina ngithi mina Richards Bay namhlanje usanele phansi.
Awungeke mina. Mina 2-0.
Samzobuka imatch bese.
Hayi.
Uyobuka iPirates win u3 points wayo. Nani namhlanje ngo5.
Ngibongile bafethu.
Bongathi
Kodwa
Kabo yelo.
bengifisa ukuthi uyithathe ileague.
Ngizoyithatha vele ungafisi.
Hey.
Isifiso sakho
Ngeke uyithathe ileague ngoba manje usuyitshela ukuthi ngithathile.
Angayitsheli.
Mina ngi-Sundowns mina. Ayikho lento eyi.
Amboda.
Excel. Show manje.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes, Sirski, everybody, man. A person that I was like, nah, this nigga looks familiar, man. Except Peseban.
Simpiwe bro.
Simpiwe. Okay, as in, and you probably wanna go in the beleg and watch the game. The game is open again. Ngobe vele halftime manje unini.
Sithi kuyi halftime bro and let's say 2-1.
2-1 what?
Yeah, Pirates 2, Chiefs 1.
You know what? You're a man that I respect. Yeah. Hey man, a lot of people are saying Pirates will win, so hey, let's just hope.
Abaqamba manga njalo.
Definitely. As long as we keep all our face
And enjoy ourselves.
Yeah, Jaco.
Sure.
So I can't.